to the channel. For those who are new, hello, my name is NESHA, and for those who already been here, what it do, baby boo. Welcome back to today's video. We are here with day 19 of 31 Days of Beauty, and today we're going to be doing a look using the Rebellious Nude palette by Raine. Don't mind this part. I don't know how it got dirty and I didn't even use it. I didn't even use it. But yes, this is gonna be my first time using her. Look at this gorgeous thing. Oh my gosh. I love this color story. I love how this top row has these beautiful metallic shades. And right here you have your like warm, bright, neutral shades, yellow and burgundy. Like, this palette excites me. It really, really excites me. So let's go ahead and jump right into this look because I'm super excited. Let me zoom in a little bit closer. I already have my primer and brow highlight on. So the first shade I would like to play with is going to be Big Girls Don't Cry, which is going to be the shade right here. Now I know this is going to be light. No, it's not. I thought this was going to be light, but no, it's... I'm glad I went with this one because I was like, maybe I should go with the other darker shade, but I think it would have been too dark for what I'm trying to start off with. I definitely know I'm using one of these metallic shades. Definitely doing that. This brown is the perfect freaking brown. And to know that there's two more other browns in here that's darker than this one, that's amazing. So I'm just gonna put this all over my crease. Today I think I am gonna just do more cut creases so that way whatever metallic shade that I put on is going to really like pop. Yeah, this looks really, really good. Alright, and to blend out the shade, I'm going to use What Rules, which is gonna be this orangey brown. I love the fact that there's a yellow in here. Two shades of yellow. Like, it's not that many shadows in here, but the shades that's in here is like perfect. This is like beautiful. Raine did a really good job with this palette. And I honestly think this is like my second palette trying anything from this brand. And I think the quality is definitely A1. It's definitely up there in the market. It's the type of brand I feel like definitely deserve to be in like Sephora or Ulta, because I feel like this is something that both stores are missing with the quality. Like, this is definitely would get like more recognition than the Morphe or the ColourPop. Are probably kind of like neck and neck with Juvia. But yeah, I don't see anything else like this, especially in Sephora, like with the quality and everything. And in the color story, like, you know, I feel like we need more things like this inside the store. So being that I am going to cut the crease, I want to deepen it up just a little bit. So I'm going to go in with Grown Up Teens, which is the shade right here. Alright, so I think I have my crease pretty much defined. I can go deeper, but I'm trying to keep it. Like, calm down, don't use all of the shades in here. So let me quickly just cut my crease and then I can jump back into this look and pop on a beautiful metallic shade. Alright, so this is what we got going on. Alright. So I'm just filling in the area, making sure that they match. I don't know how far I want to go with the eyeshadow, so I'm bringing it kind of pretty far back. So alright, so I think the shade that was definitely eyeing my attention when I open this palette. Honestly, all of them is, but I want to try Big Boss Energy because it's a kind of like a blue-green type of vibe. Y'all remember the MAC eyeshadow? I forgot the name of it, but that's what it gives me. Every time I see an eyeshadow like this, the original shade is from MAC. I forgot what it was called, but y'all know it was like a blue-green, bluish-red. Like, it just gave you so many different shades. So I am want to go in with this. Should I use my finger first? Let's do finger. Oh, that's pretty. That is pretty. didn't mean to put that all over the eyelid. I was going to use some other shades, but since I did it, let me finish. I am going to wet my brush, make the process a little bit more faster. I'm going to pop an inner color, obviously. So I'm going to go in with Rebel with Applause, which is going to be this shade. All right, now let's rub some brown in the outer. I'm gonna go in with Big Girls Don't Cry, the first brown. I think that looks really good. All right, I'm gonna pop on liner and stuff and I'll be right back. That looks freaking beautiful, wow. All right, so for the bottom lash line, I already went in with that second brown that I went in with to deepen up my outer crease. I just popped it at the bottom lash line. And I could definitely tell that this brown has like a little bit of like red undertones to it. She's so cute though. And I just brought the inner tear duct color that I popped, which was the middle one, which was that Rebel with Applause. Yes, I just brought it down more, so that's what we got going on. All right, now it's time to do something with these lips. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Pitch Lip Liner. My lips are like super dry today, yeesh. And being that my lips are so dry, I'm not even gonna put like a lipstick on today. We're just gonna stick with a gloss. So I'm gonna go in with the Juvias Butterscotch. I think the only thing I'm missing on my face is a highlighter. I'm gonna go in with OFRA just to add a little bit of sparkles. I probably could have went with the metallic shade in this palette, to be honest. I should have did that. So I think it would have gave me that frosty metallic little highlight that I do like. So next time I would definitely do that. All right, let's spray my face. All right, my love, so this is going to complete the look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. This palette is like absolutely beautiful. Like, I don't like putting pressure on y'all, but like, you gotta get it, you gotta get it. But I do feel like this palette, the neutrals in here is definitely a good palette to add to your collection because y'all see this? Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna give you guys definitely heads up. This will be on rotation for November because I want to do some more looks. Like I want to do some smoky eyes. I want to play around with more metallics in here. Like this is a really good palette. So yeah, she's on the playlist for November. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Leave me your feedback down at the bottom. And of course, I'll be back tomorrow with another look. Until then, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.